If you want to start a side hustle, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why an online business is better than an offline business or a brick and mortar business. And I have them here on the phone. So let's get right into it. Reason number 1 is that you're not risking a lot of money. And even though this might be obvious, for many people it isn't. When you are starting a traditional business, you most probably would need an office or a physical place for your business to operate. Whether you're selling a service or a product, you would still, in most cases, need a physical office. Okay? And that alone, it will cost you a lot of money. So if you want to test a traditional business and see how it works, and okay, you do your research, hopefully in advance, but once you get your hands dirty, you would have this huge cost for rent until you see if it works or not. So if you want to test it for 3 months, you would have to pay probably thousands of dollars each month just for the rent, and add to that the utilities and all these things, okay? Whereas in an online business, you would only have to pay for a website which you build once and for the hosting. And in many cases, you can start the business without even having a website. So really the operation cost can be zero. And especially, I think only if you're actually providing a service online, you can do that. But exactly, that's a huge advantage. You know, you don't have to pay any rent. You don't have to pay, huge electricity bills or water bills or whatever it is. So that's a huge reason right there why an online business is better than an offline or a traditional business. Reason number 2 is that you have a wider audience. Sorry for that. And what I mean by this is that obviously when you operate online, well, the world can be your audience. Okay? So if you're not finding, let's say you're running ads, let's say you're running Facebook ads, okay, if you find that there's not many people or that want your product in a specific country, or you see that, okay, just males age between 25 and 30 years old are interested in this product, well, you can go and do the same male 25 to 30, but in a different country. So you have a wider audience to operate on. Number 3 I have here, it's 24/7 availability, right? So whether you sell and especially if you sell a product here, okay? If you sell a product, then people can go on a website at any time, right? Any day of the week, any time of the day, and order it. And you don't have to be online for people to order it, because you're going to fulfill the order the next day, okay? It's the same, it's similar with services, right? People can book in a call with you to learn more about the services. You can run the ads. They can go on autopilot. You have someone managing the ads, but, and sales come in even during the night, for example, right? So it's that aspect. That's number 3. Number 4 is, and this is related with the second one, with the wider audience, is scalability. You are able to scale. But not only that, you're able to scale because of the wider audience. You are able to scale, and usually it's much more cost effective, because if you have a traditional type of business, let's say you have, let's say you're a mechanic, right? You fix cars. Well, you have one shop in one city, but if you want to go serve another city and you want to scale your business, that will mean you'd have to rent another place in the other city, right? So whereas when you just want to serve more people in a different city or a different country with what you already have online, let's say you have a product you're selling, right? You're drop shipping. Well, the only thing you have to do is to run ads in that country and just test and see if it works. Whereas, again, giving the previous example where you're a mechanic, you have the shop, you open the shop in the other city. What if it doesn't work after 3 months? Well, you've wasted all that money on rent and electricity and all of the other things just to test a different city. Okay? And with ads, you can manage them 24/7. You can test them for, 5 days, a week. And if they don't work, you go and run the ads in a different, you make a different targeting. You run the ads on a different targeted, a different bunch of people, right? That's what I want to say, from different place. And last one, and I think, honestly, this is the most important one. If you value your freedom, that is, and that is location independence. When you have an online business, you can be living anywhere in the world and your business will still run. You don't have to it's not like you can only take 3 weeks, 4 weeks in a year to go in Bali. You can take months, right? And the reason is because you're operating online. You can work from anywhere in the world and serve your customers, regardless of where you are located. So that's why I think an online business beats an offline or traditional business anytime. I hope this video helped. Comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. See you in the next one.